Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable activity status visibility in WhatsApp. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Tap on Privacy to access privacy settings. Locate the Last Seen section. Tap on Last Seen to open options. Choose Nobody to disable your last seen status visibility. Next, go back to the Privacy menu. Scroll down to Profile Photo. Tap on Profile Photo to change its visibility. Select Nobody to restrict who can see your profile picture. Return to the Privacy menu once more. Find the About section. Tap on About to adjust its settings. Select Nobody to limit who can see your About information. Now, head back to the Privacy menu again. Look for Status. Tap on Status to modify its visibility options. Choose My Contacts or My Contacts Accept, based on your preference. If you select My Contacts Accept, choose contacts you want to exclude. Finally, review your changes to ensure your activity status, profile photo, and About details are not visible to others. Your activity status visibility is now successfully disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to them. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.